up, gentlemen? So when it comes to men's lifestyle YouTubers, I am definitely not the best looking. I'm not the best dressed. And if I'm being completely honest with myself, I'm not the coolest. But what I am is the oldest, which means I have an unfair competitive advantage over giving solid lifestyle advice to young dudes like you. With age comes wisdom. Also, with all the stupid ass shit I've done when I was younger, that also has a tendency to educate you in some unfortunate ways. Today, gentlemen, I'm going over 7 things that 99% of dudes under 30 do wrong. Before I get started, maybe I am the coolest, gentlemen. If you think I'm the coolest, come on. Why don't you drop me one of these and be like, yo, Alpha, your ass is old, but you definitely are kind of cool in a weird, cool uncle kind of way. The first thing that 99% of dudes under 30 do wrong is put pretty people up on a pedestal and give them a pass. You gotta stop giving pretty people a pass. Do not think that just because somebody is attractive that they're better, that they're good, that they're actually somebody that you should talk to or want to date. Guys, I have met some really beautiful, spicy-ass senoritas, not to mention some super jacked, handsome studs of specimens of dudes, and they're horrible people. But it's not just young dudes that do this. Our society, our entire society is based around the value that we put on people that are attractive and pretty or strapping studs of beefcake amazingness, right? The fact is, you need to look at somebody for their character, not just their physical appearance. The second thing that 99% of dudes under 30 do wrong is think that stuff equals success. We think that stuff is going to ultimately make us happy because when people have a lot of stuff or a lot of resources like money to buy stuff, that automatically means that they're super happy, right? Wrong. But here's the thing. You're like, yo, Alpha, I'm broke as hell. I can't pay my bills. And so, of course, having more money, having more stuff would make me happier. And I get it, right? Once you have your basic needs met, once you have enough money that you don't need to worry about money, that is the point in which my life absolutely changed. It was $5,000. When I had $5,000 in my bank account for the first time in my life, I didn't think, I didn't stress, I didn't worry about money. This was freedom. This was happiness for me. But as I've earned more money and I bought more expensive stuff, I've come to realize that the stuff, it doesn't make you any more happier. What does, however, is helping other people. The third thing that I see 99% of dudes under 30 doing wrong is being friends with people they should not be friends with. Let me explain. In terms of being friends with people that you shouldn't be friends with, you've got to, at this point, identify who in your life is good for you and who is bad for you, who is uplifting, who's going to help you move closer to that goal of success and happiness, and who is going to prevent you from doing that, aka toxic people. The truth is that, yeah, they might be a solid dude, but they're not solid for you to hang out with on a regular basis, or else they are going to bring you down and prevent you from ultimately reaching your goal. Which brings us to the fourth thing that 99% of young dudes do wrong, which is think that they're invincible and as a result, neglect their health, neglect their body, neglect their nutrition. I know that right now you're like, yo, I'm young, I'm healthy, I'm handsome, I look good. But here's the thing, gentlemen, health is a lot more than what meets the eye. You have got to start taking better care of yourself. You got to start exercising, lifting weights, doing cardio to work the heart, the lungs, to make sure that everything is working properly. You also need to stop drinking as much as you are. And you need to start paying attention to your nutrition. Damn, Alpha, what do you expect? Me to eat a perfect diet? I'm a young dude. I'm running around. Gentlemen, I don't expect that because the truth is a perfect diet doesn't exist. But the one thing that you can do each and every day is fill in the nutritional gaps that your diet is lacking by hitting that link down below, checking out today's video sponsor, Athletic Greens. Gentlemen, I've talked about Athletic Greens before, and today I want you to hit that link if you haven't yet, because the truth is that I don't expect you to eat a perfect diet, but what I hope that you will start doing is taking better care of yourself in terms of your nutritional needs. You know, health is a dynamic thing. Our needs are constantly changing depending on our stress levels, how much sleep we got, whether or not we worked out or not. And Athletic Greens is an all-in-one multivitamin, multi-mineral complex. Not only does it have vitamins, minerals that are super absorbable, they've added green superfood complexes, not to mention pre and probiotics, not to mention digestive enzymes to help with gut health. Guys, this is a game changer in terms of your health. I consider this like my nutritional insurance plan. Athletic Greens is next level in terms of absorbability. Athletic Greens is designed to help you with immune support, recovery, energy, not to mention gut health. And the other thing, this stuff might look a little bit funky, but it tastes amazing. Much better than any other like greens powder I've ever tried. Guys, if you are ready to take your nutritional game to the next level and stop neglecting it like so many young dudes do to, you got to hit that link down below. That link is special. Guys, if you go through our special link down below, you're going to get the Athletic Greens Immunity Bundle. It's a super special deal that's for a limited time, so you got to hurry and hit it to grab it. What you're going to get with your first purchase is a 1-year supply of the vitamin D, all right? This stuff is amazing. As you guys know, vitamin D, super crazy important for immune system and overall health. 2 drops in my Athletic Greens every day. It's perfect. You're also going to get a free 5 individually wrapped travel pack of Athletic Greens. This stuff is perfect for guys that are on the go. Guys, do not wait. Start taking better care of yourself today and stop neglecting your health. Hit the link. Get started today. Athletic Greens is available in the US, UK, Europe, and Canada. The 5th thing that 99% of young dudes do wrong is not stand up for what they want, what they believe in. Unfortunately, when you are in your 20s, we still oftentimes will think that our parents, our loved ones, our spicy senoritas, our friends are right. And we will allow them and their opinion to dictate our direction. When you are 20 years old, when you are 25, when you are 30, you are a grown-ass man. You do not need anybody's permission to live your life. Do what you want. Do what you think is right. Stand up for what you believe in. Do not allow other people's opinions or the fear of other people passing judgment on you to affect your decision-making process and to stay quiet. Gentlemen, find your voice. Now is the time. Number 6, you're not a gentleman. You're a lot of things. Amazing, cool, all that good stuff, but a gentleman? Not really. And unfortunately, I blame the men in your life, because nobody these days are teaching the young dudes how to be gentlemen. The fact that you should open a car door for a spicy senorita. The fact that you should give up your seat. If some little old grandma comes in, there's no seat, be like, come here, spicy little old grandma. Take my seat, right? I'll stand because I'm a gentleman. Gentlemen, I used to do a series called How to Be a Gentleman, right? It was all about helping you develop your gentleman skills, whether or not it is small talk, having the ability to walk into a room with strangers and actually make conversation. This is a skill that like 99% of young dudes do not have. You also need to learn to be a gentleman, how to talk to, how to touch, how to engage with a spicy senorita in ways that are not only friendly and casual, but a little bit sexy. Unfortunately, a lot of our learnings come from the movies, which we've already discussed, is not reality. Something else I want you to do, gentlemen, is stop being a slut, all right? So one thing, unfortunately, that has happened is that, you know, relationship and like sex has become like super casual, like no big deal, like just swiping away, everybody's banging everybody. Unfortunately, this is a recipe for disaster, gentlemen, in terms of STDs, potentially, pregnancies, maybe you losing self-respect for yourself and these other people, definitely. And last but certainly not least, the 7th thing that 99% of young dudes do wrong is neglect their mental health. They don't deal with their issues. Gentlemen, here's the fact. You got to take care of yourself, and it starts with your mind. You got to make sure that you're dealing with the things that you didn't deal with. If you are harboring a lot of resentment, a lot of anger from things of your past, you got to deal with it. Whether or not you need to go to therapy, go to therapy. It might mean you need to forgive people, but the bottom line is you are worth it, and you will never ultimately move forward if you're not able to put to bed some of the bad shit that happened to you. Unfortunately, a lot of times we are collateral damage in other people's issues, but the worst thing you can do is not deal with the things that you need to deal with. You know, you need to be happy, and this may mean you go to therapy. This may mean you need to forgive some people that did some crappy things to you. It doesn't mean you need to forget, but in order for you to move forward and be happy, you need to learn to forgive and move forward. Guys, I think you're amazing. Even though you're young, this is no excuse to be a shitty person. This is also no excuse to neglect your body, neglect your mind, neglect your spirit. You are incredible, and I think you're amazing. And guys, don't forget to hit that link down below to get the Athletic Greens Immunity Bundle that comes with a 1-year supply of vitamin D plus 5 individual travel packs for free with your first purchase.